How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your oil life light or your maintenance light on your 2018 or newer Honda Odyssey. So you're going to turn on the ignition. As you can see, maintenance is due. You're going to wait till the infotainment sets up. I'm going to press home. Now you're going to go to settings. You're going to go to vehicle. Scroll up to maintenance information. And here you go. You're going to reset all. All right, there you go. Obviously, you can see if you have some gloves on, you might have a little bit of hard time with touchscreen. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for videos just like this one.